What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money with the Krak app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Krak app, you should be able to see the receive and send options at the bottom of your homepage. So from here to send money, just go ahead and tap on send right here. And then here Krak offers you a few different options that you can use to send money to someone. So let's go over each one of these. Now the first option is using a someone's Krak tag, so you can just input their Krak tag right here. For example, let's say John, and here you have all the people with these initials in their username. So that's the first way. The second way is if we use a pay link. So a pay link is something similar to a paypal.me link that you can just create a link and then send that link to someone so they can pay you the amount of funds that you inputted in the pay link. So let's say that I want someone to pay me $10, I will just input 10 right here, and then here you can just input a note and then copy paste the link by tapping send. And the last way of sending money with the Krak app is using the bank account. So once you're here, just go ahead and tap on bank account, then you would need to add a recipient. So as you can see, you can also send money directly to your own bank account. Now just go ahead and tap on add recipient, then select if that recipient is an individual or a business. I will select individual, and right here you would need to input the bank account data of that recipient. So the email is optional, but you would of course need to input their full name and last name and their international bank account number. Once you have that, you can go ahead and tap on continue, and then on the next screen you would need to input the amount of funds that you would like to send to that person and then just confirm the transaction. So essentially guys, those are all the ways that you can send money using the Krak app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.